opening some toys today. What do we have here?
So we have a...
Show me. Show the camera. What is it?
So this is a Christmas car.
Wow, it's a Christmas car. What's his name? His name is
Solo 2156.
Greg Candyman. Let's see him, Hudson. Fun kid. Wow, Greg Candyman. What does it say? It says Tacklement. Well, that is so cool. Number 101.
And 0.
Christmas Candy Cane.
And 0.
Greg Candyman. What is that one? It is a monster truck Batman with special wheels. What kind of wheels are those? Are those
they're
ice
super metal.
wheels?
They're super metal and you can't
Super
break them.
metal ice tires. Wow, look at
He
that.
has a bulldozer.
Track ice tires. These tires are so thin. Those would probably go so fast on ice. Track ice tires. Is that Batman? Wow. Oh, cool. That's meant to stick on him so that he can smash anything and get it out of the way.
Like this. Wait, but Mommy.
What other monster truck do you have to open?
This one?
What is that one? Let's see the package before you open it. Let's see it.
Wait.
This is the Wrecking Crew Monster Jam Truck Battle Slammer. Yeah. I bet those monster trucks you have could fight and race. So cool. Open it. Open it. Open it.
Here it is.
Hey, let's see, Mr. Fun Kid. Wow, look at that. It's got yellow and black, and it's got dirt on its tires. That guy must be a good wrecker, huh?
Oh wait, but Mom, keep that on. I can get more toys.
You're gonna get more toys to open? Well, don't you want to play with these ones for a little bit? Show everyone how they smash each other and go rah.
Okay, but first we can you please put the dozers on? Or put this one, put Batman on. Don't forget this dozer. I'll need this one. This dozer.
So let's see, everyone. This is how we put on the dozer. You find it. And you flip it on. Or slide it through. Can you slide it or clip it?
Think you don't do it like that. Mine isn't working either.
Yeah, you just clip it on.
Oh, I think this is how I do it. Like this. Like it, Mom. I think this is how I do it.
Very good, you got it.
But fell off. I fell off.
Okay, here we go. You clip it right on that little bar. Okay, here we go. We've got one Batman bulldozer. Now let's get the Wrecking Crew bulldozer.
Wow. Like you just smacked through Daddy. Watch.
You mean Sneaker Dad? Sneaker Dad is taking a snooze before you guys play some games.
Mom, watch
This
this
one's not
bulldozer is gonna crash through that.
Ouch! Sneaker Dad. Oh, you got Daddy made that bulldozer fall off. Okay, why don't you get some more toys to open while we return after these seconds and get these bulldozers on so we can bulldoze some cool stuff.